Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you my latest paper collection, Christmas blush. Stay tuned. Hello. Okay guys, let me show you the inside of the Christmas blush collection. So first of all, we have the front, and that is to introduce you all the papers at once, but I also like to add some images that you can cut out. So this beautiful pink Santa Claus, and these beautiful big flowers, and of course this deer. I love that. And then the back of the cover you also can use, and it's a very nice pale design, pale pink one. So adorable. It's so pale that it's hard to be seen on camera, but in real life you're definitely gonna see it all. So now we're gonna go to the next page. So this is a nice cut apart page. Love all the extra layers under these images. Love that. Chilling with my snowmies. So cute with these flowers and everything. Baby, it's cold outside. Oh my gosh, this deer is so adorable. And then we have a sweet Christmas and a keep calm and marry on. So cool. And then we have 3 nice tags: Happy Christmas, Let It Snow, Christmas Sweet Treats. So cool. Even can make these cool jars with some Christmas candies. Oh, so cool. And then we go to the back. We have a ho background with a nice pink. So cool. Then we have the deers. And I really like the snowy effect. Absolutely love that. Gives a nice grungy touch. And then the back, of course, a beautiful ornament. I love this page. And then, yeah, this one. I really like this one, but I could not resist adding a nice strip. And I think it's funky when I added this in the middle instead of at the bottom. So Let It Snow. I really like these snow puppets, snowmen, snow girls, I don't know, love those. And then the back, yep, I used a big dot this time. Funky, playful, and it's, yeah, snowballs. You get the picture. It's so totally suitable to this theme. Yeah, and of course I could not resist making a nice flowery page. You also can use this as strips. You just can cut these out. I just love this one. It really fits with everything. The flowers could not leave behind. And then this plate one. Oh my gosh. I almost made my nails the same one as this one, but my nail stylist did not have the stamp. Maybe next time, I don't know, but oh god, I love this one. I'm definitely gonna do my nails sometimes with this one. And then, yeah, do I need to say more? I really like the vintage touch with all these images. And then together with the romantic flowery pink. Oh my gosh, it's just a perfect match. Absolutely, I love it. The snowman, Santa Claus, everything, the flowers. This image is just, oh, perfect. I love it. So these are very easy to be used. These are, by the way, without edges, but so easy to be used on Christmas cards, and you can make your own edges and everything. So cool. And then this one is one of my favorite ones. It's so cool, with so delicate, with so small little leaves and flowery. So cool. I really like the pale green in all this, so the pastel is coming back. And then we have another ho background page, and then little snow, little Christmas trees, of course. They also has a white Christmas tree, but you don't see that very good. Maybe I could have made the background a little bit darker, but do see that now. And then another greenery page, but then a nice one with a cream color background. Yes, I love this. Very easy to be used. And then of course a smaller ornament background. Love that. Easy to be used. And then we have another cut apart page. Again, some vintage and romantic vintage. That's so. This the season to sparkle. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and cozy season. Sometimes I babble too much maybe, but God, I love these. I can't wait to start with all these. Oh my gosh, so stunning. And then the back, some nicely green snowflakes. Yeah, it's possible. And then, yeah, I just love to make these with these are all the colors that fit with the collection, but then different stripes and small one, white ones, and then of course the snowy effect on it. Oh, I love this. Yep. Keeps coming back sometimes in my collection, and I just love it. And then we have another plate, also with a snowy effect, a nice beige color. Love this. This is also a nice color for my nails. And then this one, oh, these images are so adorable. We have a snowman, we have a little ice bear, we have presents, we have Christmas balls, milkshakes, deers, cookie houses, you name it, even little elves. This little mouse is just adorable. And I was just thinking, well, it's an idea. What if you use 2 sheets of these, cut all these out and make a little memory game out of it? Oh my gosh, that would be so cool. I think I am gonna do that. I'm gonna use that in my next project. Just pop that up. Really cool. Alright, and then the back, a nice ornament page. Beige color. So cute. This one is very delicate. They are very little small roses on a cream color background. Easy to be used, very simple. And of course a beige dot. Cool. Now we have our last page. This has shape tags. Let me call them shape tags. This we can use. Love these. This is so adorable. And then this is another shape, but we can use that. Sweet Christmas sweet treats. Oh, a nice hot cup of chocolate with sweets in it. I would not think of that right now because it's 30 degrees outside, but okay. And then we have another tag with a different shape. We can use that. Cozy season, let it snow, dreaming on over Christmas and happy Christmas. I love these images, especially this one, so vintage. Yeah, I keep coming back. I just love that. And then we have some name tags, well, words. Family time, memories, you and me, Christmas dinner, and under the tree. So cool, easy to be used. And on the back is a nice beige one. There is some design on it, but it's very delicate, so I love it. Cool, I love it. Love it. All right guys, so again, in this collection you get 78 sheets in total, 12 double-sided, 6 sheets each, so the cover is also double-sided, so you get 13 sheets for one set, and then 6 times. I use 170 grams, and it's A4 size, 21 by 29.5 centimeters. It's a European A4 size, and that's my new paper collection. Hope you like it. Bye bye.